Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be the location of our new racetrack in Harlingen. You're looking at the driver's stand right now with the pit lane in front of it. We also have a watering hose that has an electrical pump with a remote, so we can turn that off and on. There's John. Oh, okay. Couple of benches. This is not painted, we just mounted this up. This is where we're going to post all of our lap sheets, time sheets, results. Corey, this is going to be, what is this going to be? This is going to be a storage room, right? And what about the refrigerator thing they were talking about?
It's going to be right here. It's going to have a little door from the outside that opens.
Okay. And then the water fountain's going to go over here next to the restroom over here. So, we haven't put the sheetrock up in here yet, but this is going to be the bathroom. And the power's not on, but getting closer.
Hey, what are you doing? How come you're not at work?
Up the stairs. And this will be the computer room right here. So they'll be able to run the races from up here and be able to see the races as well. So we're pretty much done with the driver's stand area. So the next step will be building the track. So of course, we won't be running monster trucks, but this is my newest toy, so that's why I brought this one. So hopefully soon we'll be racing here.